Oats are like a secret weapon for weight loss. They're high in fiber, which takes its sweet time digesting, making you feel fuller for longer. 1 cup of oats has about 4 grams of fiber. Your hunger doesn't stand a chance. The best part is that oats are a blank canvas. You can add bananas, berries, or a dash of cinnamon without crushing your calorie goals. A simple bowl of oatmeal can keep you energized and satisfied for hours. They're also low in calories themselves. Half a cup of rolled oats is about 150 calories. Compare that to sugary cereals that rack up closer to 300, and you're already winning the calorie deficit game. Here's the kicker. Oats are a slow-digesting carb. They release energy gradually, which helps you avoid those mid-morning energy crashes. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings, fewer regrets, and more control. If you're a numbers person, eating oatmeal regularly can cut your average daily caloric intake by up to 400 calories. That's enough to lose nearly a pound a week without doing anything else differently. Pretty wild. Pro tip, go for steel-cut or rolled oats over the instant kind. The instant ones often come with added sugar and unnecessary calories. The less processed, the better your body responds. Meal prep is your friend here. Cook a big batch of steel-cut oats at the beginning of the week. Divide them into portions and add your favorite toppings in advance. Done in minutes and zero room for excuses. Another win for oats, they keep your gut happy. The beta-glucan in oats acts as a prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria, which can play a role in weight management. A healthy gut is underrated. Skipping breakfast leads to bad decisions later. Think donuts or oversized bagels. Starting your day with a bowl of oats keeps you grounded. It's like your morning anchor to smarter choices. If you're into workouts, oats are a rock-solid fuel source. They give you just the right kind of sustained energy for cardio sessions or lifting. Bonus, you burn more calories when your body has efficient energy to tap into. They're also dirt cheap. A bag of oats in Portland costs under $4 and lasts weeks. Compare that to a drive-through breakfast that barely lasts 20 minutes. Oats are frugal, effective, and satisfying. Weight loss is tough because hunger feels like an enemy. Oats flip the script. Instead of feeling deprived, they help you feel full and nourished. The battle with hunger isn't a battle at all. It's a win.